CommScope's Australian manufacturing facility has been developing and supplying high-performance products for communications network owners in Australia and New Zealand for over 30 years. As a domestic operation with the support of a leading global connectivity manufacturer, we can provide rapid turnaround and flexible delivery without compromising on quality. From concept to delivery, all of our products use the highest quality components and world-leading cable manufacturing and termination techniques. We manufacture various fibre patch cords available in different configurations for unprecedented connector performance for the telecom and enterprise market. Our facility does ruggedized pre-terminated trunk leads for outdoor and harsh environments, such as those found in the mining, oil and gas industries. Stringent testing ensures environmental temperature cycling, tensile testing, fibre and cable retention, flexing of strain relief and attenuation are all verified. Our MPOs feature over-moulded breakouts, giving fibres protection and support through cable transition points. Due to our manufacturing technology, our MP Optimate system is one of the best performing fibre systems for data centre and fibre backbone applications. The result is industry-leading optical performance and maximum data transfer speeds. CommScope's engineers design and test all of our products on site at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, giving us the flexibility to develop complete network solutions. Being a one-stop shop for communication network owners allows CommScope to work with our customers to complete their projects on time, using components that will provide peak performance over the life of their network.